We visited Parrots Mountain in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee twice in spring of 2020 and on May 3rd, 2023. This will be a compilation of both of these visits. If you would like to get notices when I post again, be sure to subscribe right here. Just click on that button. This is the 4 acres of this site, and it was opened in 2002. It is closed during the winter, and honestly, I've been hearing some bad information about it in comments and places lately, but you just see for yourself and see if you want to go. It closes during the winter months, and I'd rate it as a small 8 because it has able to touch and feed the parrot. Today we're not going back to Cates Cove, we're going to Parrots Mountain and look at the birds there. They have hundreds of parrots here at Parrots Mountain, and we're going to see many of them. These are the greeters that are right out in front on the parking lot, ready to greet you when you come in. Deborah had to harass a cat. Many of the birds are out on open perches where you can see them up close, and they love to talk to you. This African gray is supposed to be as smart as an 8-year-old. There was also a chipmunk running around on the ground. It's actually called Parrots Mountain and Gardens because it's beautifully landscaped also for you to walk through as you look at the parrots. Now Deborah the Explorer has turned into the parrot lady.
There's the bird lady.
Is out feeding them by hand. They had dozens of parrots and macaws that you could feed, large and small. You could also hand hold as many as you wanted to and spend some time with them, feeding them from hand.
I'll show you
They just couldn't resist Deborah the Explorer being there.
Pretty good.
Come on. If you want on, get on. There you are.
And the lorikeets definitely like their feeding.
He had his fun.
I think they all piled on.
She's the first.
Pretty good. Yes, you are. You're pretty.
Many of the parrots here were breeding pairs, and they sold the young parrots $500 to $4,000 each. These are all 1 year old, or this year's hatchlings. We now move from the 2020 trip to the 2023 trip. Parrot Mountain and Gardens is just what it says. It's on the side of a mountain and hard to climb up. I'm not going to be able to do much walking here, but we have found out that they have golf carts that will drive you around, and that's how I'm going to get around. Deborah will do the walking.
I know there's so many different pictures.
They raise lots of baby birds here that hatch out from the parrots they have, and then they sell them. The price ranges anywhere from $200 to a fairly common bird to over $5,000 for some of the less common, more rare birds. They also have a prayer garden here that you can go and look at the nativity scene and the empty tomb. But the most popular thing is the interaction area where they have dozens of parrots out and macaws that you can hold and feed and interact with. Here's Deborah feeding a green and yellow macaw. And here's a sulfur-crested cockatoo. This is the end of this video.